Hi guys, so this is Madhu Singh. Today I'll be sharing you the BTS office shoot I did today. So recently I came across a picture on Instagram which I really liked. So I thought to recreate it and let's see how we did it.
So for the frame, I am using an old pillow cover. We are cutting a circle in between, and then we'll also use the leftover part on the background. To tie the frame, we are using a background stand. Then we made 4 holes at the end of the pillow cover and tied it with a rope. For the background, I used white plain bed sheet, and my mom helped us to attach the leftover circle part on the bed sheet. She attached it with lots of safety pin and we were good to go.